am currently applying vaginal cream on my face for this fungal infection.
So many times I done miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime, go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tsheho Blooms, presented to you by Tshegofatso Budumele. So today I am going to pack up my supplements, which is my collagen, my vitamins and calcium supplements, and I am just going in with this thing. So I am starting to take my skin seriously. I'm starting to take my energy levels seriously, my bones seriously, because I am old and I keep on having these pains in my body and my bones. It's about time I take care of business, and here is business.
Slow it sometime, time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. Too many options to stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime. I need to slow down, yeah. So many things we could have been.
So firstly, before I do anything, I am going into the bathroom to wash my hair and remove excess oil so that this color can stick. My hair doesn't want to grow. I don't know what is wrong with it. morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am Teho, if you don't know, and to everyone who knows, Dumelang. So I was able to dye my hair maroon. At least I'm no longer feeling dirty because of the goldness that the ends are really gold, and I didn't like it. So one other thing, I don't like my skin. I don't know what happened, but I have been too busy to take care of myself. So today is the day, and this is what I'm going to use. Let me show you the coolest mask that I've ever used. Like, this mask is very cool, although I look so damn ugly. Bonately, just have a look. So it has these things for your ears, and then also, yep, and then when you take it out, you must also, you see, and here's a trick.
Even still, I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you. I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins, cause you won't call me anyway.
So I am back from the salon, you guys, and you know, I just went there to try out my luck and like okay. Oh my god, guys, Muruakanole very, very, very short. So she decided to give me crochet lines, and the fact that I no longer have hairline problems, like everything is in order. Everything is in order, guys. So here are my lines, and no, she did them so perfectly, and she was not in a rush, but this is seriously a very rushed way to plait your hair. If you want to get it done quickly, just get this. I don't know about the unplaiting part though. I just hope I don't experience any problems when I get to that part. So for now, I'm going to apply my Iwori Mongongo oil onto my scalp and take my nap, because that's what I need. Now, if you watch my vlogs, guys, you will recognize this baby girl. I got it as a freebie.
I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins, cause you won't call me anyway.
After scrubbing off all of the dead skin, I go in with my homemade scrub, which has lemon in it, coffee, and some rooibos. sugar and tissue oil. Yes, so I go in with this and I scrub and exfoliate as hard as I can. And now I go in with the smoothing tool, which I also bought from Discam. It was also less than 30 rand. And I want to tell you guys, this combo works like magic. So I'm going to smooth out the edges and take off excess dead skin. I also have this other homemade sugar and tissue oil scrub, which I'm now going to finish off the process with. And this one is just to enrich, to moisturize, to nourish. So I am glad with the results, and this I have to do every month, at least once in a month. But I need to scrub my hands every day. Hope you do this trick as well. Stay blessed. So it is a Sunday evening. I'm not craving for any food. I'm just going to have a sandwich and watch some TV over some savannah and snacks, and then I'm hitting the bed. Hey guys, dumelang and welcome back to my channel. So ke nna Tshego, and today I am here to show you the new things that I have incorporated in my hair care routine. As you all know, I have plaited my hair, but I don't care because the aim here is for the hair to grow, nothing else. So I have been having this. It's a hair food by Black Chic, and then I also have castor oil, and I also have this is an old bottle, room spray. So I'm just going to peel off these stickers, and in here I have my rice water. So rice water, I washed it yesterday and then I soaked it a cup of water. I made sure there's enough rice in the container. So this soaked overnight, and today this is how we are looking like. So I am going to incorporate the 3 so that my hair can grow. I am going to add some castor oil into the hair food and also castor oil into the rice water, and then that is my hair care routine, and I will show you the progress once I unplait my hair. I don't know if there's gonna be progress, but I have heard people say rice water and castor oil did the wonders. I know that actually. I have had an afro before and I did use rice water. I did use castor oil, and I just want to go back. I want to go back. Guys, further I did apply a little bit of the castor oil on my face yesterday and around my eyes because I've been having eye problems. Today I want to say, yes guys, it's unbelievable.